With roughly 16,000 cryptocurrencies in circulation, picking which crypto to invest in can be a difficult and overwhelming undertaking. Ultimately, an increasing number of both seasoned and novice crypto investors are on the hunt for the next big thing, in the hope of reaping massive returns. And in this video, we're going to make it easier for you to find the right crypto for making an investment. We will look at the top 5 cryptocurrencies to invest in for 2022. Starting with number 5, Terra. When considering the best cryptocurrencies to invest in for 2022, it's vital to assess a diverse range of projects that offer protection against bearish markets. After all, when Bitcoin falls, the broader markets often follow suit. Having said that, a number of digital assets, like Terra, have a track record of outperforming bear markets. For those new to this project, the Terra protocol is tasked with stabilizing Terra stablecoins, which are tethered to fiat currencies such as the US dollar and Japanese yen. Next, at number 4, we have Polygon. Polygon's price increase has been parabolic during the last year, virtually tripling in size. Polygon, which is now ranked 17th in terms of market capitalization, now has a market cap of $12 billion. And while its objective is similar to Terra's, it seeks to attain widespread acceptance through a different mechanism, boosting the scalability of blockchains. The framework is primarily intended to scale Ethereum and allow for the execution of possibly infinite dApps on top of it. Additionally, around 72% of Polygon's full 10 billion token supply is already in circulation. And this indicates that Polygon is positioned for future growth. And this is precisely why Polygon is one of the best cryptocurrencies to invest in this year. Coming in at number 3, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's spectacular climb in such a short period of time is remarkable. At the start of 2021, CoinMarketCap estimated the value of this digital currency to be $0.000000078. The same digital currency reached a peak of $0.0000312 in December 2021. This indicates that Shiba Inu achieved approximately 40 million% gains in less than a year of trade. Although such rises are improbable, this coin still has a lot of upside potential. Apart from the continuous market hype, Shiba Inu is listed on all major exchanges. And at number 2, we have Cardano. Founded in 2017 by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, Cardano is one of the major blockchains to efficiently run the more energy-efficient proof-of-stake protocol. Cardano's mission is to facilitate the development of a developer-friendly ecosystem for decentralized applications. Unlike Ethereum, Cardano has a hard cap on the total amount of coins ever created, which is currently set at 45 billion. Fortunately for investors, 33.5 billion, or roughly 74% of that supply, is already in circulation, implying that the amount of remaining dilution is both predictable and manageable. Cardano is one of the best cryptos to buy right now, having risen from 22 cents to roughly $1.2 over the previous year. And finally, at number 1, Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin is well known as a meme-inspired cryptocurrency that began as a joke. But first, being a meme coin is far from an indictment in the world of crypto, where both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu enjoy the top 15 ranking in terms of market capitalization. However, there is serious reason Dogecoin is one of the best cryptos to invest in right now. Elon Musk is a real believer, not the satirical enthusiast he was portrayed as during Dogecoin's remarkable 2021 run. And we recently learned that the Tesla CEO believes Dogecoin is superior to even Bitcoin. Additionally, Elon Musk announced in January that Tesla merchandise is now available for purchase with Dogecoin. Moreover, market observers expect that Tesla will soon enable Dogecoin payments for its electric vehicles. In short, given Musk's influence in the cryptocurrency business and the broader financial sector, it is quite possible that Dogecoin will achieve widespread adoption in the near future. And precisely for this reason, Dogecoin is the best crypto to invest in right now. And that concludes our list of top 5 cryptocurrencies to invest in for 2022. So which of these cryptos are you going to invest in? Let us know in the comments section below.